Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 15th of November 2021. Taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing not so hot today. If you look at the daily chart, it is, excuse me, at risk of pushing down a lot lower here and having a steeper retracement. In fact, when you look at the weekly chart, it's had 7 weeks straight up. Well, I guess with the exception of the week of October 18th, but it's been in a 7-week uptrend since facing that low on September 20th. And the other thing that's going on here, I wrote about it in my article, is that when you look at the bodies of the candlesticks, there's a significant amount of space between the bodies of these candles and the Tenkan-sen, or the conversion line. Now, one of the kind of anomalous or interesting behaviors within the Ichimoku system is that is of gaps that exist between the baseline and the close, and the Tenkan-sen and the conversion line and the close, or the bodies of the candlesticks. There can be a large amount of time and space between the baseline and the bodies of the candlesticks. So, I mean, those gaps can exist forever and a day. They can last forever and a day. They can never close price-wise, meaning that the market will trade sideways, and then the baseline will just slowly move back up to it. But gaps between the the bodies of the candlesticks on the hourly, gaps between the bodies of the candlesticks, regardless of the time frame, and the Tenkan-sen, they do not last long. They typically resolve over 4 to 6 candles. So, there's been a gap, depending on when I measure it, from the week of October 18th. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're starting on our 5th week of there being some big gaps between the bodies of these candles and the Tenkan conversion line. That means a retracement is very likely. And then, given that we have that 49-day cycle, the Gann death cycle, things are about to reverse here, and we can find support against a number of zones. So the first zone that we'd likely see support at is the weekly conversion line. That's at 54,500. Then we have the weekly baseline at 48,909. And I'm kind of skipping Cinco Span A, the green line there, because Cinco Span A, I don't know, you just have this like really kind of what's the word I'm looking for? It just doesn't seem to hold very well. Like, it'll get tested once and then fail the second time. It just seems to not be a very strong area of support or resistance. And I could be way wrong here, but it's just been my experience with using the Ichimoku system. It seems to act more as a source of support and resistance when something's inside the cloud as opposed to outside of the cloud. So that's what, I guess that's something that I've noticed. I don't have any like real hard data to support that, just my own experience. Then we have Cinco Span B down here at 37K. That is the strongest area of support and resistance. That is the strongest level, that hardest level to cross and close above or below. So if Bitcoin does face some like massive big drop, that is where it's basically going to go. And, that is like it'd be like a 40% drop, which is normal for Bitcoin. I mean, 40% wipes are totally normal. And, that'd be kind of cool if it did go down there, wouldn't it? I mean, I'd be all on board for that and let it happen, I say. But we'll keep an eye on it and update it as needed. Thank you for watching. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.